Let's say you are new to the hair system business. You got a client here for an application. Although you know his hair color, the hair system is never a standardized product. Every factory has its own color shades. So how can you find the right color for your client? The answer is simple. Get this color ring from bonohair.com. This one is for stock hair systems. Use the hair swatches to find the color that matches your client's hair. But what if you couldn't find your client's match on the stock color ring? Their hair may come in a unique color, or the clients may have a different percentage of gray hair. All you need to do is send us a hair sample. We can match it for you. Just cut it, bag it, and send it to Bono Hair along with your detailed order instruction, whatever you need. Easy as that.